This is how much you need to make to buy this $995,000 duplex. I own 10 investment properties in 5 different states over the last 5 years. And when I started out, I did not know how much money I needed to buy my first property. So this series is to help show you exactly how much you need to make and how much you need to save to buy these properties so you can use that calculation for your own. If you put 25% down, that's $248,750. Holy crap, that's a lot of money. If you put 3% in closing costs, that'll be about $29,850. So the total amount that you'll need saved for this house is $278,600. So today's interest rate is about 6.87%. Let's say because you put 25% down, you get 1 point down, that's 5.87. So your loan amount will be $746,250, and your monthly mortgage payment only will be $4,412. Then taxes on this property is $17,836 per year, or $1,487 per month, which is crazy. Isn't that insane? Your insurance will be about $415 per month. That makes your total monthly payment $6,314. This property though can rent, it's a 1-bed, 1-bath on each side. And if you were to rent out both of the units, you can collect about $4,800 in rent per month. The bank will allow you to use up to 75% of that to buy this house. 75% is $3,600. You subtract that off of the $6,300 of your monthly payment. And so the effective monthly payment then is $2,714. The banks won't allow you to use more than 36% of your pre-tax income towards your mortgage payment. If you divide $2,714 by 0.36, that means you only need to make $7,539 per month. If you multiply that by 12, that means you only need to make $90,468 to buy this property. But you need $250,000 down. Good luck. Let's say you wanted to put a 15% down instead. If you put 15% down, that's $150,000 for your down payment. You just saved $100,000 just like that. With closing costs, your total will be $179,100 is what you'll need. But now that you put less than 20% down, you're gonna have to pay PMI, private mortgage insurance. That's about 0.75% of your loan amount every year. So your loan amount will be $845,750. Multiply that by 0.0075 and then divide that by 12. That's $529 per month just for PMI. With taxes, insurance, and everything, the monthly payment will be $7,705. But because this is a rental, if you live on this side and rent out the other side, that side rents for $24,000. The bank will allow you to use 75% of that. That means they'll allow you to use $1,800 off of the rental income to help qualify, which will put you at a total monthly payment of $5,905. And that can't be more than 36% of your pre-tax income. So now the total amount that you need jumps up to $196,836 per year to qualify for this house. Now, if you put 10% down, the situation only gets worse. You save money on your down payment. You only need $99,500 to put down. Your interest rate will go up a little bit, but with taxes, insurance, and PMI, the monthly payment now becomes $8,194. If you rent out the other unit, the effective payment then will become $6,394. So when you divide that by 0.36, that means you need to make $17,762 per month, or $213,144 per year to get this duplex. If you put 5% down, the situation gets even worse. The total monthly payment will end up being $8,700. When you subtract the rental income, you only have to pay $6,900, and you divide that by 0.36. And so you really need to make $19,167 to be able to qualify for this house, which is $230,004 per year. If we use an FHA loan and only put 3.5% down, our monthly payment is $8,648. When you subtract the rent, it's $6,848, which means you only need to make $205,444 per year. And if you use a VA loan and you put $0 down, your effective monthly payment will be $6,470. You divide that by 0.4. The minimum you need to make is $16,175, or $194,000 per year. It's needless to say that this is a terrible investment property. You should not buy it because you're gonna lose money every single month, even if you rent it out both sides and you weren't here, or even if you put it on Airbnb. But if you want my help to buy your first investment property, I have my free course down low in the description. And if you want to invest in deals that can potentially make you money, click the link below to apply to invest with my team.